Introducing the 55-piece magnetic impact driver set from CASOMAN. This features a full set of SAE and metric impact sets for your battery-powered impact drivers. They feature a quality shaft that connects into any impact driver, and this also features deep and shallow sockets, plus it features impact bits for Torx, Phillips, and standard screwdrivers. It also features impact rated extensions plus a wing nut socket for quickly removing wing nuts. So if you're doing home repairs or you're repairing a vehicle and you want something to remove under panels, bumpers, suspension parts, dashboards, this is a perfect kit to do that. Comes all set up in a blow molded case that stores all your sockets and your equipment in your toolbox or inside your tool cabinet. CASOMAN makes quality products for DIY and professional enthusiasts with quality tools that are ready to go for your shop. If you want to pick up the full set of metric and SAE 55-piece impact rated socket set from CASOMAN, pick it up because CASOMAN makes great tools for professionals and enthusiasts at a great value.